Sit down. Sit down. So we all make mistakes, and we all agree to disagree. Yeah, we all make mistakes. But what do you think about changing all of this? Yeah.
Changing how? Changing.
Like changing
the only way we can change as a society, number one, is to educate ourselves. Educate you men on the fact that don't believe that every single girl you see is somebody that you have to try and manipulate so that you can get.
How do we do that?
Because you have not been taught on how, number one, how to treat women,
exactly,
how to respect women, and how to know the difference between this is still a young girl.
Even women don't respect men.
No.
Listen to me, sis.
A woman will never take advantage of you, Dan. Take advantage of you in terms of giving you. Are you going to carry my pregnancy? If I'm a young girl and I tell you you're a man, let me get you pregnant. I want to buy you chips. Is it possible?
Yeah, I don't know, guys. Tell us down in the comment section. But my question was okay, we need
change
to educate. We need to educate and change. Yes. So how do we do that?
You start from
home. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maja_KE. If you're new here, guys, kindly consider subscribing, sharing, and watching the video till the end. Tell another neighbor. Subscribe to Maja_KE. So guys, today we are visiting also a friend. Wow, we are on the road. Okay, let me go down here so that we can do it. Yeah, so guys, you know, being on the road, we have to be very, very much careful. You can see the cars are passing. So I'm really happy because Nyabohanse is elevating to some points. Yeah, see this place, guys, very beautiful. This is a hotel over here and very, very much beautiful. You know, this guy likes underground.
Yeah, it's a 5-star hotel.
5-star.
Yeah.
5-star.
Yeah, it's a 5-star.
In Nyabohanse 5-star. Yeah, introduce yourself.
My name is Pape Africa. Today I'm the rider of the day. So we are heading somewhere. Kindly watch till the end. It's going to be a very good video, amazing video, and it's educative video. So guys, keep watching it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Maja_KE, and don't forget Pape Africa as always, guys.
Yeah, and also who are doing genuine work, kindly subscribe. Yeah, and let's elevate, guys, and educate our village on some other things like what?
You know, here in the village we have our great grandfathers used to have something called female genital mutilation, and we thank God that now people are civilized and we are just trying to erase the fact that our ladies are being circumcised. Yeah. So today we are actually heading somewhere, guys, and I don't want to disclose any more than this. Just keep watching, guys, and today you are going to get educated about all these things here in the village, African village, more so in our Korean culture. Yeah, Korean culture and in Nyabohanse, guys. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching.
Keep watching, guys. And we have amazing video, educative, and a video that will show you guys that we are really here in the village, and we explore even more, even not outside but inside our village. So we are going to explore more. So guys, this is the road heading to Sibania border, but we are going we are cutting here. Cutting or
We are trying to divert the shortcut.
here. Yeah, we are not going to the border, but somewhere here, guys. See how beautiful the scenery is. Beautiful. So we are going to divert here. Yeah, Papa is very careful. The motorbike. Yes. So we are going down here. Instead of going to the border, yeah, over there. So we are diverting this way. Wow. Yeah. So this is a tarmac road, but
Moram Road.
Moram Road. Yeah. So we are diverting this place, guys. So guys, if you don't know, it's I'm telling a friend, another friend, I don't take that for granted. Thank you so much. Keep on subscribing. Well, they are positive and doing great work. You know, some people don't know when, like, we go so far to make content for you guys. Sometimes maybe and then we have to push the bike. The rain is coming. A lot of things, but
But I that's why I would like to appreciate people that support.
yeah.
People they stretch their hands, bring things from their pockets just to support us. May God bless you wherever you are in everything that you do. May God bless you abundantly.
Abundantly, guys, abundantly. So see how we are going. So you know, guys, we have a story. Recently, when we were starting YouTube, Maja Nasto, it was very hectic. We used to go so far, and the bike maybe it has well, and you try to light it up or ignite it. It's not doing start the bike. Yeah, so it was very hard, but anyway, we are here, guys. We want to be positive and do the right thing, and at the right time, guys. Yeah, the right thing and at the right time. Yeah. So this place is looking so amazing, so deep in the villages.
Yeah.
And we have not forgotten the what is it called? Forgotten. But anyway, we have not forgotten not the episodes, but the yeah. Eh? So someone is telling us to take banana. Take banana.
Yeah.
To take bananas.
Maybe.
Just turn here, then you take bananas. You know, also supporting someone. Yeah, very good. Huh? No,
Just
let's
pause it.
just turn.
Pause it.
Turn.
A massive view.
Yeah, so guys, unfortunately, the person who said that we should take bananas, she doesn't want to be on camera. You know, I don't know why. Oh, have some cows here. Hey, bull. Nyaji. People don't want cameras. Yo, how are you? This is my cousin, JP.
What?
Yeah, home.
We are
You are
living
home.
at your place.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, the maize. They are planting right now.
Yeah.
Planting, yeah.
Most of people are weeding, like me actually. But people can go and watch my videos. It's all about farming, about maize, of course. My maize are quite big.
Yeah.
Quite big compared to this one.
Yeah. It's here. Yes. Yeah. So guys, this is the way that you're passing.
I saw by the way, I saw people trying to prepare the road, making the road to Maro and
Yeah.
and to This is the kind of roads that we normally do.
Yeah, and we really appreciate.
Yeah, we really appreciate. Now, right now, when you go tomorrow, even if you have a Lamborghini, it can pass there. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, this way also can lead you to the border.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to film anyone because of security reasons. Because even the woman said, I don't want video. Yeah.
I don't want to be captured.
Yeah, I don't want to be captured. Yes, so this is our destination here. Yes, so beautiful, guys. The flowers. Wow, I really like this place because of the flowers here also. Yeah, very beautiful flowers. And see how she has. Yeah, very beautiful. I don't know if I'm going fast. Yeah, this is how this place looks like. Yeah, sorry guys, you know, my holder was broken, so I'm just holding my camera with my hand, but everything is looking very nice here, so you have to struggle to get you good videos, guys. Yeah, so we are going in, guys. Yes, we are going in. Welcome, guys. This is the place that was our destination, guys. I don't know if you can see from here, the sun is right shining from that place, guys. Yeah, so we are here, guys, and you can see how they have a very beautiful garden. I really love gardens. Yeah, I really love gardens because it really helps, because of maybe when you're at home and you don't need to go to the market, and you can just come here and take some maybe veggies, yeah, and go cook. So guys, this place is so beautiful. I really admire this place, so beautiful and so good. And this is located in exactly in our village, Nyabohanse. I think you guys have seen this place. I've been here, and yeah, the place is very nice. I really love this place, so beautiful, so big. You can see the mountains over there, the roads over there, and everything, guys. See how this place looks like. So you can tell us down the comment section how this place looks like. This is Nyabohanse. Trust me, this is Nyabohanse looking like US. Yeah, I've never been into US, but I really believe that this place looks, yeah, like US. Yeah, very cool, very calm. Yeah, people are playing there. I think last time, guys, I showed you that place. Yeah, very beautiful. See how that kid is. Let me go near, guys, so that you guys can see the experience here in this place, guys. See the garden. Wow, very nice. Beehives. Yeah, very nice. See how the kids are playing. Mambo, mnacheza? Yeah. So I think I should bring Maria here so that she can also enjoy. Roka Juan. Hey. Where? Yeah. So yeah, it's very nice, guys. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Maj_KE. Yeah, this is of course also my brother's home. Very nice, very nice. I really like this place because it's very cool, calm. You can hear no sounds from anywhere. Yeah. Wow, this is how it looks like. I'm really happy to be here again, guys. And we have the, not the series, but the, hey, see this garden, the garden. Yeah, so beautiful. See how these kales grow. I don't know why a lot of people here in the village, they grow a lot of kales. I don't know why, but I think for me, I love kales so much. So they grow kales so much, and this one is recently like planted. They're really growing so much and so big and so healthy. Wow. Hey, see over there also. Yeah, so guys, we're going to see our sister, and we're going to talk about something that is very sensitive in our village and out of our village. Very much sensitive, but we are really going to talk to her. And last time I was here talking to her, she was advising me about some a lot of things, advising me. So today we are back again. I think she was not around, that's why I was not meeting her, but she's my elder cousin or elder sister. And also I will be sharing also stories with my elder brother, that is Leo. Guys, you have been seeing him in my videos. That was not episodes, but yeah, we will be talking about that, guys. Yeah, so let's go in. Yeah, beautiful place there. Wow, we have some chihuahua. Yeah, you know guys, I'm afraid of dogs, but
this was a friend.
yes. Hello. Yeah, so this is our big brother here, Leo. Yeah, how are you, bro?
Hey, what's up? How you guys doing? Welcome to your sister's place. We'll get crashed here today.
Yeah.
I'm coming to say hello to her. You'll meet her in a minute. You can say hi. That's Trump. No, sorry. That's Trump.
Yeah.
And that is supposed to be Biden. But Biden is not running, so I guess we'll change the name to Kamala.
Ooh, why Kamala?
Kamala Harris and Donald Trump.
Oh, why Kamala? Why change the name?
We're not changing. The name is Biden.
Yeah. So guys, this is my big brother, Leo, and we have some not episodes.
This is the third one. Oh no.
Not an episode. It was a
series. Or what was it?
It was a. What is it called, guys? Why am I forgetting? Documentary.
A docu-series.
Yeah, docu-series. Yeah, docu-series with my brother here. I know, guys, you have missed it, but yeah, it was, you know, he's very busy man and doing 1, 2, 3, so that's why you have missed the docu-series. That is a new word to me. Docu-series. Yeah.
It's a docu-series.
Docu-series. It's documentary. Yeah, so we have the dogs. Oh yeah. Yes. So today, guys, we're here.
Before we go in the house,
Yeah.
let's show them some of our other pets.
Yes.
But
How have you been, bro?
they've been good. You said just busy if you want to.
Yes. Yeah, so this is the beautiful compound here. So we are still doing our documentary, yeah?
Oh, they've been locked up.
Oh, here.
They're in here. But I cannot go in there. They will attack me.
Hi. Yeah, so guys, we're going here. We don't know if they will attack us,
Oh, they will definitely
but
attack
we are
you.
trying.
Open in case you need to run.
Yeah.
You see that one is already getting killed.
See how they
Tries to attack.
Oh, it wants to attack.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have that one.
Because there's babies.
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't answer my question first. Are we continuing with our documentary?
We're continuing.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
We
So
have to continue.
yeah. So we have our documentary, guys. Just keep on watching.
Here.
Yeah. Wow.
I think they are this side. Yes, that's the male one.
Oh, this is the male one. Oh, there are 3.
Yeah, 2 females and a male.
Yeah.
And then the babies here. Got some new babies. Are they here? No, they're on the other side.
Okay. Yeah, and this is where they take water from.
This is where they swim.
Oh, they swim.
Yeah.
Not take water.
No, we put water for them there, but you know, it's the end of the day. They have to be, it has to be cleaned up, but we fill up water for them because, you know, the ducks, they like water for waddling, whatever it is it's called.
Yeah. Wow. I really like the dogs. The Chihuahua.
Yes. One is a Spitz. The other one is it's a puppy, but it's called a Romanian Shepherd dog.
Yeah. Wow.
We have some
chickens,
but most of them are in now because it's in the evening.
Yeah.
The other ones where there's all this blue.
Wow.
It's full of chickens. Yeah.
So a very good project, guys. We also had we have one at home. I really believe you have seen it. Yeah, but this one is very big. And
you show them where the honey hives are?
Yeah, but I didn't want to go near because
I never go there.
Yeah. And these ones, what are these?
I don't know what. It's some sort of, I don't know, fruit. I don't know what it's called.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Just here the bananas.
Yeah. Wow. A very beautiful place to be.
So go inside and say hi to her.
Yeah.
And we will continue.
Yes.
She's also looking forward to seeing you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Thank you. You see, you are still around then.
Yeah, I'm out here. I'm with the doggies.
The doggies.
Yeah. Oh. I'm hanging out.
Yeah, so guys, we're here. This is my elder sister. Guys, yeah, we have been here in your compound without... Oh, you told me to come.
Yeah.
It's not without your consent. But we're here, guys, and I think last time you saw me here, we were doing a video, me and her, of course, consulting about marriage. And thank you so much, sister, because a lot of people came out and they gave very good advices on marriage and what we talked about. And it really went up. Like it has a lot of views, of course, and I really appreciate because it was a very good advice and a very good genuine good advice from my big sister. Guys, if you don't know, this is my sister who I also always consult. This is Nano, my sister, and we have Pauline Marwa, that is my sister, always watching my videos. We have Pascalia, always there. So these are the sisters that I have, like my sister that I believe they can help me in any way and also advise me in a good way. Yeah, so it has been long.
It has.
Been long.
It has.
Yeah. So introduce yourself.
Welcome. My name is Claudia, but my nickname is Nano. Everyone knows me as Nano, but my official name's Claudia Chacha. I'm Dan's elder sister. He is Maja. Is a younger brother to me. We've raised him. He's very humble. We really appreciate him and the fact that he respects us and always seeks for our advice as his elder sisters. We are always happy. Karibu sana Maja. Thank you for coming. It's been long. I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, thank you so much. And she has a YouTube channel also.
Yes,
kindly go check it out.
Yes.
Helping young ladies and young ladies who have maybe...
Yes, my channel deals with stories about women and what they go through in marriage, in life, the trials and tribulations. I haven't been as active as I should be. Of late, I've been very, very busy.
Yeah.
But very
I think
soon.
I should be there for you so that I push you.
Yeah, probably.
Yes,
Probably. It's been a journey and a half. But yeah, the channel is called Journey of 1,000 Voices. So just subscribe, watch my videos. the ones that I have uploaded, and then I'll probably be uploading more videos very soon.
Yeah. Kindly upload videos
I
so that
will,
you
I
can
will.
motivate more people outside there. You
I
know,
will.
there are some people outside there that have like problems
Yeah.
and have like to get like advices or watch videos like use watch videos and like get to learn what you do. Like I really admire what you do because it's motivational. Like it's motivational. It's very motivational.
Thank you.
And you know, for me, what I do is YouTube. Last time I was quitting YouTube just because we have some people who don't want to do like genuine work. They just want to look at what you
What
do
you're doing.
and they talk about it. There are
Yeah.
people who like, I don't know, but for us, we really work hard to look people like you. Like your content is top notch, you know.
Thank you.
What you are
I
doing
appreciate
is
that.
educating people and yeah, that is what we need in our village. I don't know your opinion about that. Like we really need to have to do content that
we
is
need to
educative.
actually, I understand what you're saying, and I appreciate all your kind words. One of the reasons why I started the YouTube channel, Journey of 1,000 Voices, is because the voice of the women in our community,
Yeah.
in Africa, but most especially in this community because this is where I live, the voices of the women are always shunned or they are shut. And we have seen so many women suffering, young girls, older women, like women in general are just always in a very bad situation and a bad position in our society. And that's one of the reasons why I'm very passionate about anything that does with women and children. Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, first of all, before we begin, we haven't begun like talking. I want to appreciate your beautiful house
Oh,
here.
thank you.
Very beautiful, especially the chairs. I really
Thank you.
admire.
Thank you.
I admire that. Yeah. So, for me, what do you think about maybe the young ladies who are suffering from maybe is it, we call it adole or what?
Adolescence.
Yeah.
Adolescence is a
yeah.
it's a phase in life. I don't understand the question. Like adolescence, how can you cannot be
You know-
suffering from something that is actually a part of every human's life. So
Yeah.
maybe if you rephrase the question, I could understand it better.
Yeah, so you know, a lot of ladies, like young ladies, they are facing like they just want to be like grown-ups, but they're not grown-ups, you know. So I think that also brings out that thing, like they want to have maybe boyfriends, they want to
Okay, you're talking about
engage.
are you talking about the thing that we have in our society about
Yeah,
early
exactly.
teenage pregnancies?
Yeah, early pregnancy, yeah, and
Early teenage pregnancies. We have also sexually transmitted diseases
Yeah.
that come with that. Is that what you're talking about?
yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay. My opinion is this. Number one, anybody, even the law, anybody below the age of 18 is a no-go zone.
Yeah, exactly.
As much as we will say, like, as you said, suffering, but that's the wrong word. You said suffering from adolescence.
yeah.
That's
You
actually
know,
the
English is not
the wrong way to put it. But
yeah, sorry guys.
with our society, with our community, people tend to forget that girls need to be, as long as people look at it like if a girl has reached puberty, as long as she has seen her periods, automatically some of our men, and I'm going to call them fiends because these are not people who should even be categorized as men. These are predators, these are sexual fiends, these are people with no moral compass whatsoever. And somebody looks at a 14-year-old girl who her breasts have started sprouting and they automatically want to sleep with her. And that is why we get now teenage pregnancies. When somebody does that, number one, those are now the cases that I take over. Those are things that we do not appreciate as a society. We have come so far. Don't forget that before, maybe like 10, 15 years ago, in this particular tribe or community, we used to have cases whereby as soon as the girl is circumcised, as soon as she has reached puberty, she's married off. Now we have girls who are fighting to learn to go to school. But we still have men who have not been taught that. You see, as much as we will tell the girls, like, don't do this, don't go sleeping with this person. If anybody talks to you in a certain way, report them. We have men from the age of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, men who decide that a 14-year-old girl is easy pickings. A 14-year-old girl is the right person to sleep with. Such people belong in jail. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Let us stop thinking that the girl wanted it. Because that is the excuse that most of them
why
say.
not? Yes, why not?
Why not what?
Why not? The girl is not thinking about that.
You see, it's easy for...
we have-
Understand also poverty plays a very big part.
Yeah, exactly. So that's the
Poverty
point
plays
I'm
a
coming to.
very, very big part, Dan. You find situations whereby the position or the homes in which these girls have grown up in, they have grown up in
Exactly, I know about
extreme
that, yeah.
poverty, to the point whereby girls don't even have money for pads. The girl cannot even the home, they cannot even afford 3 meals. Even if it's just basic meals, they can't afford that. Probably the child will leave home, a man will lie to her, let me buy you a meal. When the child is hungry, or when somebody is hungry and somebody has been offering to buy you a meal, and most of those meals are worth maybe what?
Yeah.
50 shillings, 100?
Sister, let me ask you. So, maybe where you are at, like the lady is coming from a poverty, maybe background or whatever. So, you're willing to sell yourself for money.
So
or
do you
to sell
actually think-
yourself for...
I don't think these girls sell themselves. And don't put it like that.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
are
yeah.
victims of circumstances. Do you get it? And I'm trying to explain to you that some of these girls, and the ones I've dealt with, most of them, from the early teenagers, teenage pregnancies, to even rape victims, you find that even the society itself teaches these girls that when a man approaches you, it's a privilege. So as soon as the girl has reached puberty, and this grown man, he even has a family, approaches this young girl, and this girl is probably hungry. She has not eaten. She doesn't even have money for pads. She cannot afford basic things. And she sees that probably if I give in to this man, I will probably maybe have money to eat. I will probably maybe have money. I can buy my pads. I can probably do ABCD. I think for them, they look at it like it's because of they're looking at life from a place of lack. And that's why they don't sell themselves. When a woman sells themselves, she's a prostitute.
Yeah.
This is a teenager who got cheated by someone who said, let me take advantage of her situation. When the situation is very dark and grim, and then somebody is offering just a small flash of light, she runs to it. This person is the one taking advantage of this girl.
Yeah, but guys, forgive us if we are wrong or talking the wrong. Yeah, but anyway, what do you think about changing all of this? Like, like for me, there's some time I was buying pads for ladies and giving out in our village, giving everyone like pads. Yeah, what do you think about changing everything and everything? We are not perfect. No one is perfect.
Of course, that's true.
Yeah, no one is perfect. So we all make mistakes, and we all agree to disagree. Yeah, we all make mistakes. But what do you think about changing all of this? Yeah.
Changing how? Changing.
Like changing
the
the-
only way we can change as a society, number one, is to educate ourselves. Educate you men on the fact that don't believe that every single girl you see is somebody that you have to try and manipulate so that you can get
How
her
do
to
we do
marry.
that?
Because you have not been taught on how, number one, how
Yes.
to treat women,
Exactly.
how to respect women, and how to know the difference between this is still a young girl.
Even women
and this
don't
is an
respect
adult.
men.
No.
Listen
no.
to me,
A
sis.
woman will never take advantage of you, Dan. Take advantage of you in terms
Hey.
of giving you. Are you going to carry my pregnancy? If I'm a young girl and I tell you you're a man, let me get you pregnant. I want to buy you chips. Is it possible?
Yeah, I don't know, guys.
It's not
Tell us down in the
possible.
comment
It's
section.
not.
But my question was like, okay, we need
Change
to
your
educate.
mindset. Change
We need
your
to
mindset.
educate and
Educate,
change.
yes.
So how do we do that?
You start from
how
home.
do we go about
You
that?
start from home. We start from schools. We have seminars. We go to churches. We go to borders, bus parks. We go to
Yeah,
schools.
that is what I
we
wanted you
talk
to
to
tell me, yeah.
people, and we tell people, you know what you're doing is wrong.
Exactly,
What you're
yeah.
doing is that you're destroying this young girl's future. What you're doing by taking advantage of this child. If you want to help someone, help them from your heart, genuinely. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Don't help them with strings attached. And most men who take advantage of these schoolgirls do it with strings attached. He helps because he knows, once I help you, I will sleep with you. And once he gets her pregnant, he runs away.
So for me, what I was thinking is like, you know, you can't just go to border like the stage and preach about that.
They
or-
have
yeah, or
they
a
have
home,
circles,
yeah,
societies, yes.
and home. For me, what I was thinking, guys, it's just a conversation. What I was thinking, like for you, maybe we could start an organization, not even an organization, but we can maybe meet and greet. Then we have a part that we speak to the ladies, a part where we speak to the men. So we can just advertise that. Then we meet some place so that maybe for you, you are a very good motivation speaker. And I think for my sister also, Pascalia, our sister, she's a very good motivational speaker.
she is.
So she can come educate on such cases, and also in other cases, not even in what we were talking about, even in what she's going
What she's
through.
going through health-wise.
And yeah, it's very good. We can meet somewhere and talk about that, and give someone who is out there a very good, like, you know, we have some people who are very sick out there. Like they can get a good encouragement or whatever from maybe Pascalia. And also there are some people who, what you're going through or what you're trying to help, they can get a very good
They can get some advice.
advice and everything from you. So for me, I was thinking like we can do something like we can talk to people in public. We can invite people. I really believe you guys will come. I know you guys will watch this video. So I really believe if you want, you can be there. One of the people who will be there, like speaking to
A
group of people, especially ladies, and also we can have some people who will speak in a group of men and all of that, those people who are out there, so that we can. That is the only way. I think for me, my opinion, that is the only way that I think we can build this community or try to change everything that is going on. For me, like last time we had a meet and greet, which I did it just around here, and I didn't believe that the people will come, but they came in a very large. They came in a large number.
numbers,
Yeah, and I really appreciate it because I never knew. And that time I was I think 4,000 subscribers, and they really came. I didn't know they will come, but they came. So we can try and do it. So we see whoever will come, just come and listen and give your own opinion, and yeah, we get to know. What do you think?
I don't totally disagree with what you're saying, but I don't totally agree with what you're saying. Number one of the things I said, okay, yeah, we can go out and talk to people and talk to people and talk to people. But you see, there's still laws. We have the law that states that this is an underage child. This should not happen to this child. If this happens to this child, we need to follow the law and take this person to court and have the person taken to prison, right? But
And
now,
that is what I'm trying to tell, to explain. Like, explaining to people, like, you shouldn't do this. Like, when we have a meeting of so many people, like, I really believe people will come when we do that. A lot of people will come, you know. So when you explain to him what you're explaining right now, maybe he will he will say, oh, I'm wrong. You know, there are some people who don't know that I can do this thing and it's wrong. So they will know I'm wrong when I'm doing this. They don't know.
So you actually.
There are some people who never went to school.
So going to school is not. It's you have a moral compass. You see, going to school and having a moral compass are two very different things. You understand? It was okay 60, 50, 40 years ago to marry a child of 12 years. Yeah? It's not okay right now because that is called defilement. Yeah? That is you have actually defiled this child, and that is it statutory rape or something? It's just there's a whole package of names and labels that we give it. People are aware, but just people don't think it's that serious. I think that your idea is okay. I said that's why I said I agree with you in some parts and I don't agree with you in some parts. The idea is wonderful. That is something that I would be willing to do. I'd be willing to actually help you and talk to people, but we also need to find someone in either law, a lawyer, or somebody who works in the courts, or even a police woman who deals with gender issues.
Yeah, but before that, before getting there, I think we should, as a community, we should at least talk to them. You know, when they don't listen, then we should get to another point of
but you see,
getting
when you
the
say when
lawyer.
they don't listen, let me ask you. No, we're not getting them because we want to arrest them. We're getting them because we want them to speak and tell them that.
Okay, we are talking, it's not like anyone is in this like kind of situation, but we are just trying to educate, you know, we are just trying to like know the way out of this like
what early teenage
kind of
pregnancies.
thing. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So when you're ready, you let me know. I will have prepared. I'm very passionate about anything to do with women and children. I've dealt with serious cases of defilement and rape and early teenage pregnancies. So those are things that I know. And I know what it does, even to a society. It kills this child's dream, and it kills a family's dream also, and it makes everyone now stagnant because now we have another extra mouth to feed and we're already poor. So yes, I agree with you, but I will still not agree with you on some parts, especially when you say that some people are not
and that's why you said no one is perfect. The light is no one is perfect. But anyway, guys, this is my big sister. I just came here for conversation, and also it's been an year or
almost
some months.
No, a year. No, you were here when I brought in my first batch of chickens. That was a few months ago. That was almost like 7 months or 8 months ago.
And
so
the month I came for advice from...
Oh yeah, that was almost like 2 years ago.
Hey, 2 years, guys. 2 years. But I was here also again a few months ago. But always someone who wants to ask for advice from someone before I make my step. And I really believe in my sisters, and I always talk to them, especially you, Pauline, and Pascalia, especially in matters of we'll talk about that, but but soon, guys, you will be seeing us celebrating with my sister, my
Family.
3 sisters now.
Yes.
You know, I really say you are my biological sister, you, Pascalia, and Pauline, because you guys have been there for me. I can admit that. You have been there for me. You have been calling me, telling me, oh, you're wrong, you're right. And I really appreciate that, guys. And from my end, guys, subscribe to her end. And kindly subscribe and say Maja_KE sent you there.
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
We'll really appreciate. And I want to do more videos with you.
No problem.
Conversation, because
this is your home.
Yes.
Mikasa Sukasa.
Mikasa Sukasa.
So you're welcome anytime.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Peace and love, positive vibes, guys, from us. It's getting dark.
Yes.
The rain is coming. But I really appreciate you people for watching me. 10,000 people. I was almost giving up in 10,000, but now we are on, and this is fire, guys.
I'm glad your fire is back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is fire.
All right.
And we are going to do it, guys. Of course, they call me the village boga, the one and only in this village. So kindly subscribe to us, share. Let's have good vibes. Let's celebrate this Nyabohans, the village at large. Until our next video, guys. Peace and love.